What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Digibyte to BTC. We're also going to be looking at Forbes Analyst predicts that Litecoin will take over XRP before the end of 2019. We also have an article that was actually done about me, which is pretty cool, by the Medium. So if any of that sounds interesting to you guys, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, right now I'm on the current coin market cap, and as you guys can see, I like to do this for those of you who are new to the channel, basically because it's a good way to kind of dip your toe into the market and really get an understanding of what's going on before we jump into the charts and the technical analysis. This is a good way to kind of refresh ourselves and get ready for the rest of the episode. So Bitcoin dominance being 51.6%. We have 24-hour volume 30.3, 134 market cap. So Bitcoin dominance staying fairly similar to yesterday. 24-hour volume similar, slightly lower, and market cap is slightly lower. So we're seeing consolidation, we're seeing sideways stability, which is interesting. We're going to talk about that. It means something is coming, and I want to show you guys that when we do the charting. And then you see market cap 134 is also quite low. So definitely a day of consolidation. Top 10 cryptos, Litecoin down 1.4%. One of the top dips. We do have Stellar actually taking the biggest leap, up 10%, which is huge. Definitely a coin we might have to look at. Binance Coin and Stellar are the two coins you guys have been interested in me doing. I will be posting a poll, I guess today, to figure out which coin we should review for next week. But otherwise, most of the market is in red and in some sort of consolidation period. Engine coin down 20% now, 10% for Aurora. Most coins are definitely in the middle, and we're seeing that consolidation. Now, before I jump into the articles for discussion, if you guys are new to the channel or haven't yet signed up for the ABRA exchange, they're doing a huge promotion. They're giving away $25 upon your first sign up and deposit of $5 via a bank account. So very simple. Sign up. Add your bank account, deposit $5, and then they will send you free $25 of Bitcoin. We've had over 100 people do this, so shout out to you guys. Thank you for helping support the channel. Otherwise, I do have an article that I want to show you guys. Pretty awesome. So hopefully you guys are aware of what Medium is, the website medium.com. It is a very, very, very popular website that bloggers use and they post. So basically, this article says the world learns about TV2. Crypto TV presents TV2 to its loyal audience. So that's pretty awesome that they did. Basically, it talks about what exactly TV2 is, what exactly my channel is. It says TV2 offers a unique pioneering opportunity for users to watch YouTube and earn crypto. Of course, crypto YouTubers are quickly intrigued by such business model. Despite the evident fit, we are happy about every influencer that shares TV2 with his or her community. To give you a better understanding of what achieved support, we would like to shed some light on the channels praising our smart TV and mobile apps. Crypto TV, as you guys know, you guys are the loyal supporters of that. Hopefully you guys watched the video, but I will have this link in the description if you wanted to read up on it a little more. Basically, I talked about what Crypto TV is, my channel, my name, uploading daily TV. You can see this is a link of when we reviewed the website that we found. And then you can see Hayden is a humble guy that sticks his opinions and techniques in bullish as well as bearish times. Loyal community is a consequence of his constantly strong work. Onwards and upwards. Awesome article. Shout out to you guys for making that for me. I was definitely unexpected, but I do appreciate it. Otherwise, so let's talk about what this Forbes Analyst prediction is, comparing Litecoin to XRP. Now, XRP and Litecoin is a huge community. Different communities, but they are huge. XRP has a massive community, and Litecoin has a massive community. So it'll be definitely interesting to see what exactly I have to say about it. So it says, here we go, many true believers will never admit this, but in the cryptocurrency space, price prediction is very important. It's true that the price action of cryptocurrency isn't supposed to affect your interest in the industry. However, it's difficult to completely ignore it. For a while now, many investors have been searching for accurate Litecoin price predictions 2019 and XRP Ripple predictions in 2019. Well, the analyst on Forbes recently gave price predictions for both coins. So he said currently Litecoin price prediction puts the altcoin in the 4th place per market cap, which we're currently in. The XRP price prediction puts it in 3rd place. Both coins fell significantly during their cryptocurrency winter, losing more than 80%. We saw, I believe, XRP up at around $3.40 $3.30. Litecoin at $400. Litecoin started recovering against the USD and has doubled its movement, which is pretty awesome. So what will fuel the Litecoin takeover? So the analyst said that XRP hasn't been doing so well for a while now due to the negative publicity surrounding Ripple. So XRP, Ripple, difference. There are still many within the ecosystem that do not believe that XRP token is decentralized and not influenced by Ripple. Very true. That is a huge controversy that we've discussed. The two hit the nail on the head. American financial giant JP Chase debuted the cryptocurrency known as JPM coin, as we know. This coin will do everything XRP can do and more. The analyst suggests that the launch of JPM coin will hinder the adoption of XRP. That's very true. We now have JP Chase doing this, and we know that if they can do it, they can easily get rid of whatever XRP was trying to do with them, and they can do it for themselves. So why exactly do you need the XRP token? Very interesting. No real reason to have it Ripple either. So even if JPM coin may not pose as a direct threat to XRP, since it isn't going to be traded publicly, it is going to pay a big threat to X-Rapid technology. So this in turn will reduce the demand for XRP. The fact is that the scales are currently tipped in favor of Litecoin. If the positive sentiments surround Litecoin continue, it may flip XRP and become the third largest crypto in the world per market cap before the year is over. That is going to be huge. Will Litecoin bump Ripple and XRP out and take its spot? Very possible. There's a huge difference in terms of market cap right now, as we know, but it is still possible that we could see that movement out of it and move into Litecoin. And if we see all the volume that's going on within XRP move into Litecoin, we should easily see a $200-300 Litecoin. So basically, while the analysts have strong points, it is important to note that Litecoin is currently holding a market cap of $3.5 billion. XRP is $13 billion, so it's huge. So it's going to take a long time for Litecoin or for XRP to fall, but you know, there's definitely a huge difference in terms of the volume. So what do you think? Will this Litecoin price prediction of 2019 and the XRP price prediction take place? Let me know down below in the comments. So now moving on to the technical analysis, the charting. I do think a pullback is coming, guys. I do think a pullback for Litecoin is coming short term, and I'll tell you when I'm buying back in. But it is very obvious that this uptrend that is currently acting as a resistance is playing a big role, a big part in Litecoin's price reduction. Reason being is it's a huge resistance. You can see now we've had 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, and currently 7, areas of resistance, a pullback. I could even kind of shimmy this down a little bit more so that it touches, if I wanted to, I can move it maybe like that. But yeah, we could leave it like that. That's about right. Ooh, didn't mean to do that. Kind of like this. If we wanted to. You can see the resistance right there, but we'll just leave it right here to call it about average. So you can see the resistance right now. Being overbought on Litecoin's daily is another huge takeaway for me, that we're going to see some sort of pullback, mainly because of the fact that we were nearing overbought, on the daily, signaling this resistance pullback. There's a lot of things counterweighing it. They're kind of too overextended to go up any higher. We did go higher. There's a resistance there. A lot of things playing that it needs to consolidate. You can see beautifully right here now on the 4-hour. We were overbought. Hit this resistance numerous times now. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 candles on the 4-hour of resistance. So this is definitely not going away. You can see where the power is, where we've tested it prior. You can see right here, here, and here in a little more detail, and now once again right there. So honestly, now looking at this on the 4-hour charts, I can see a pullback coming. I do think we do need to do that. I do think we need to consolidate down. It is very possible that we can extend this graph out and see how that plays a role in the price. I'll just leave that right about here. So there's some sort of channel it's forming into. But a nice healthy pullback for Litecoin would be if the coin pulls all the way back down around $51 to $50. If we start to see the coin fall to $51 and change, that is when I would consider buying back in. That is when we would be at a healthy level on the 4-hour, and most likely a healthy level on its daily. You can see a pullback. You can see all the way down to around here would be about right. Even if it, takes a little bit and pulls down to 53, I'll go off of how exactly it reacts to this uptrend, because this didn't really hold that well, but this definitely held a good support. So we'll see. We're going to have to play it by ear. I can't let you know exactly what I'm going to do at this very second, but Shifting our focus now to Bitcoin. Bitcoin on its daily, you can see flatline volume, indication of something really, really, really big coming. We have sideways trading. You can see right here, we have an uptrend. But the fact that we're pretty much just flatlined out right here, where we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, almost like 2 weeks now of sideways trading, no volume at all, is a huge indicator. And I really want to like stress that the reason why we're seeing no volume right now is because once again we're coming to a point of very, very, very high pressure. So you can see previously we had this massive descending triangle that formed. We had our support, we consolidated, and you can see those previous candles were sideways movements at no volume, and we broke bearish, falling to a lower support. And you can see what we're doing right now is we are also trading sideways, hitting a resistance, and we could potentially blast off. Reason being is we're very good on the weekly, 39, beautiful means to move up higher. And if we do, we should blast and break right up to around $5,300, $5,400, and as high as 7,000. That is a conservative, estimate. We could go much higher. We could potentially break lower. Do I think a lower low is in the space? Not really. I think we are going to definitely head higher. But the fact that you can see beautifully right here what exactly I'm referring to, the fact that you guys can see we have a still descending triangle. We did not break the resistance right here. We fell lower, trading sideways, and now we're testing it once again. Huge indicator. I think we're definitely in the... I can, you can smell it in the air almost. You can tell something is coming for Bitcoin. It's just a matter of time, very, very soon. And you can see even more so that even on this daily now, when I zoom out, the fact that there is little to no volume is just a huge dead giveaway. We're coming very, very, very close day by day to testing the downtrend. It is only the 10th, and we have about another 2 weeks before we really test the downtrend in these high-low MMAs, and then we can either ride the wave up or buy back in when it goes lower. Lastly, out of the top 3 blue chip cryptocurrencies, and then finally the last time I believe we'll do Digibyte for the next week or two. You can see huge testing of the green band and resistance. 140 does seem to be, not 140, yeah, around 140 to 139 and change seems to be the massive resistance for Ethereum, and we're going to continue to test that, I believe, for the next week or two until we see Bitcoin take off. Once we see Bitcoin break bullish or bearish, we will then see Ethereum follow. Where is Ethereum? Here we go. Ethereum will follow. As you can see, we've had numerous, almost about a week and a half now of just retesting its green band and resistance levels. Lastly, to sum things up with Digibyte, and then I will do a poll that you guys will see later today. It looks beautiful, guys, and I pretty much called this yesterday. I said yesterday the fact that we did break out of our symmetrical triangle, I was anticipating some sort of correction like that, and then a break to the upside. We're kind of doing that right now. You can see we broke bullish out of the downtrend for the first time in many, many, many months, and you can see now we're testing the top of it. So we may now use this as a resting support due to the fact that we are nearing overbought. We were overbought, but now nearing overbought on Digibyte's daily, and we should hopefully pull back down, consolidate, and then we have enough room to take off. But otherwise, guys, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel or you like what you see, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's episode. Peace.